Now we are going to see the experiment B and inverted B curves of 3-phase synchronous motor. Aim to draw V and inverted B curve for the given 3-phase synchronous motor. So the apparatus required are voltmeter, ammeter, then ammeter of 0 to 10 amps, then ammeter of 0 to 2 amps, wattmeter rating of 600 volt 10 amps, then tachometer, 3-phase auto transformer, and then rheostat. So this is the connection circuit diagram of the 3-phase synchronous motor of V and inverted V curves of synchronous motor. So the procedure is to connect the circuit diagram. As per the circuit diagram, you want to give the connection and you want to close the TPST switch. Then auto transformer is varied gradually to start the motor. The auto transformer is to adjust it till the voltmeter reaches the rated voltage of the synchronous motor. So at the no load condition, you want to increase the field current in steps and to note down the corresponding armature current, and by using the rheostat you want to brought it to the minimum position and want to repeat the same procedure and want to take the different load condition, you want to note the ratings. So this is the tabular column of this experiment. We want to take the corresponding readings and want to note it, and you want to draw the curves. This is the circuit. As per the circuit diagram, we connect the circuit. We want to on the supply. Now by varying the auto transformer, we want to now by varying the auto transformer, we want to set the rated voltage. So you want to set the rated voltage by giving the auto transformer. You want to set the rated voltage. Now we want to note down the ammeter, wattmeter readings for the field current and the line current. So now by varying the rheostat, we want to corresponding reading want to take it. So by varying the rheostat, we want to take the ammeter readings and corresponding wattmeter readings. You want to note it and want to fill the tabular column. By using this, values, you want to plot the graph that is for the field current and the load current. You want to draw the graph that is the inverted V curve as well as that V curves. So the tabulation will have the line voltage, line current, then 2 power watt readings and field current. By using this formula, we want to calculate the power factor. So the power factor value will be cos phi is equal to P in by root 3 VL and IL. By using this formula, we want to calculate the cos phi and we want to draw the graph and want to finish the experiment. Thank you.